Guys, YouTube has this cool feature called Super Thanks. If you want to show gratitude to the content creators, there's a button down low. Next to the download button, it says thanks. So if you got any value out of my content, feel free to hit that thanks button and show some love. Let's go. All right, guys, this is my detachable blades. Showing you how I clean my detachable blades while I'm cutting hair. There was an air hose where I was able to blow all the hair off to dislodge the hair from the blade. Then I put the blade away in the storage container. There I am with a guard. See the hair on the guard? I'm gonna dislodge the hair from the guard. And then I'm gonna spray both sides of the guard, hitting all parts of the guard with the Cool Care disinfectant. What I do on my plastic guards, I use the dollar store disinfectant spray. It kills 99.9% of the germs because it's cheaper for my plastic, but it's water based. So I don't use it on my metal blades or any of my metal blades because it's water based. There I am again, cleaning another guard off, dislodging the hair from it. And I'm gonna sit them over there, and I'm just gonna spray them all down real quick and flip them over and spray them again with the disinfectant spray from the dollar store. Anything I have that's plastic, I use the dollar store disinfectant spray. So what I'm showing you right here is the hair was sticking even though I was blowing it with the air. So I used my water from my spray bottle to spray it so it loosened it up. So then when I hit it with the air, it was able to dislodge the remaining hair that was sticking to the guard. This is just a quick fix, right? While you're cutting hair and while you're busy. Okay, so I got all the hair dislodged. That's step one, dislodge all the hair from the guards, and then spray it with the dollar store disinfectant spray. I don't use the Cool Care in the area because Cool Care is expensive. If I don't need it, why waste all my Cool Care on plastic guards when I can use the dollar store? $1.25 at Quick Trip. I said Quick Trip. At Dollar Tree. There's my trimmers. Notice I hit all sides. I hit it from the side so that the oil and disinfectant can get in this cracks. And then I hit it from the front of the teeth and from the back of the blade. So what I'm doing here is showing you what I do at the end of the day. To be fully transparent with you, I may or may not do this at the end of the day. I may just do the regular same thing I do during the haircut. But sometimes you just got to go ahead and deep clean your stuff. So if you want to do this at the end of the day or at the end of the week, you go in and just clean and deep clean everything. You use a brush. Use one of the little nail brushes or clipper brushes, and you scrub all those. I'm trying to hold my camera right there, guys. I only got one hand. So you take that and you would scrub. Use that one brush and you scrub all you're soaking them right there in bleach and so you wash them all off with the brush, and then now you're going back and you're rinsing them all off good. Okay, then you're gonna come back and you're gonna put them in the water again with the bleach. First time it was with the dishwashing liquid or whatever kind of soap you want to use, Ship Shape or whatever you want to use. And then you come back here with the bleach and let it soak for 10 minutes. That'll give you your total disinfection that you want. Okay, then you come back and you rinse and dry those off. Rinse them off and you put them on a towel and dry them off. Guys, one of the subscribers, this was a request video from him for me to do how do I clean my guards. and sanitize my guards. So that's why I made this video. I just want to thank all my subscribers. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And feel free to use the new feature called Super Thanks. If you got any value out of any of my content, I always look down there next to the download button. I got a little button called Thanks where you guys can slide some chips my way if you like. All right, guys, so that's how I clean my guards and blades. I had a request from the subscribers to show how. So thanks for watching. I mean not my cones, but the guards. So. And then, guys, if y'all got any more, if you guys got any more requests, so there's videos y'all want me to do on anything, let me know what your requests are, and I'll see what I can do. Oh, don't forget to hit the super thanks button